Hey there, I'm Katie with WTI. Is winter coat shopping a chore in your household? Well, I know that it is dreaded in mine because shopping for teenagers can be the worst. So when I found this winter coat by SUOKEni, I knew that there had to be a color that my daughter would love. And she chose this gray and white camouflage and loves this coat. Not only is there a huge variety of colors to choose from, but this coat is waterproof, it is soft, fuzzy, and cozy inside, and it has tons of pockets. Not to mention this great hood that's wonderful if you are a glasses wearer like I am, because it'll keep that dripping water off of your lenses. I did get this coat for my daughter. She is 5'1", and this is the small. It fits her perfectly. Now, I would normally wear a medium-sized coat. I can fit into her coat, and it's somewhat comfortable, but I would definitely prefer a little bit more room so I could layer it with a sweater. This material is a canvas-like material. Water just beads right up and slides right off of it. I definitely feel like I might win the Mom of the Year award because of this coat. And that's my point of view.